lusty my tale. As you sit round the table a drinking your ale, and I'll take you back to a far distant day when I drove the last Clydesdales to work on Denbury. They were twa bonny blacks with white faces and feet. In the hale country round they could never be beat, and you'd look at Guy far twixt the Forth and the Tay for to match my twa Clydesdales, the pride o' Denbury. They were matchless in power in the cart or the pleugh, and my hands on the reins and my voice they well knew. There was only one thought in their minds to obey my twa bonny Clydesdales, the pride o' Denbury. But the years they wear on, and the winters grow cold, and horses like men can do nocht but grow old. But my memories aye with them, though I'm far away, for I drove the last Clydesdales to work on Denbury. So come all ye young blue boys that list to my tale, as you sit round the table a drinking your ale, and I'll take you back to a far distant day when I drove the last Clydesdales to work on Denbury. When I drove the last Clydesdales to work on Denbury.
Ja, så jag måste